Add the sugar to a saucepan and melt it over low heat. Stir occasionally until it reaches a deep caramel color. Once the caramel is dark, turn off the heat and carefully add the cream. Add the chocolate pieces and butter. Stir well until the chocolate is fully melted. Finally, add a small pinch of salt and mix well. Transfer the chocolate mixture to a bowl and let it cool slightly. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well with a whisk between each addition. Finally, add the sifted flour and gently fold it in without beating. Line a round cake pan with parchment paper greased with butter, press it well into the pan and pour in the batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven while the center is still soft. Carefully unmold the tart and sprinkle lightly with salt. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla or whipping cream ice cream. This creamy chocolate and salted caramel tart is intense, elegant, and absolutely irresistible. The contrast between rich chocolate, deep caramel, and a subtle touch of salt creates a smooth, almost molten center with a sophisticated flavor that impresses any table. You'll need 300 grams or 10.6 ounces of cooking chocolate broken into pieces, 180 grams or 6.3 ounces of sugar, 200 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of whipping cream, 1 heaped tablespoon of butter, 5 eggs, 50 grams or 1.8 ounces of all-purpose flour, T55, parchment paper, salt,